Imagine discovering an ordinary cliff in a remote mountain forest, only to watch one man transform it into a fully functional underground home, using nothing more than a shovel, his bare hands, and incredible determination. What began as a narrow opening, barely large enough to crawl through, gradually became the entrance to an impressive underground shelter. Every shovel of earth was removed with purpose, because the builder already had the entire layout planned in his mind. He wasn't digging randomly, he was creating a home. As the excavation continued, the main chamber slowly took shape. He expanded the space to both sides, creating dedicated areas for storage, work, and daily living. To improve safety, he carefully smoothed the rough dirt walls and reshaped the ceiling into an arch. This classic design not only looked better, but also helped distribute the weight above, making the structure stronger and more stable. After many hours of relentless effort, the cave had become a spacious underground room that felt more like a hidden fortress than a simple shelter. Every mark on the walls reflected countless shovel strikes, while the piles of excavated soil stood as proof of the hard work behind the project. Instead of taking a break, he immediately turned his attention to the entrance. He cleared away weeds, loose rocks, and excess dirt, creating a clean and welcoming pathway. From a distance, the entrance blended naturally into the forest, hiding the remarkable home concealed within. Next came one of the most important additions, a traditional clay hearth. The man gathered carefully selected stones from around the mountain and used natural clay as mortar to bind them together. One stone at a time, he built a sturdy cooking area with a fire pit and raised cooking platform, making sure every piece fits securely before continuing. With the construction complete, the underground shelter became much more than a place to sleep. It was now a practical home where he could cook, stay warm, and live comfortably deep in the wilderness. Finally, he stacked dry firewood inside the hearth and lit a fire. As the flames grew brighter, the warm orange glow filled the cave, reflecting off the smooth clay walls and transforming the once cold underground chamber into a cozy living space. Then came the reward for all that hard work. He placed freshly prepared dough on a wooden board, stretched it into a perfect circle, spread sauce evenly across the surface, and covered it with cheese before baking it over the hot fire. Soon the cheese melted beautifully, the crust turned golden with lightly charred edges, and the delicious aroma filled the entire cave. Sitting inside the underground home he had built with his own hands, sharing a freshly baked pizza with his loyal little dog, he enjoyed a moment that perfectly captured the spirit of wilderness survival. Outside lay the peaceful mountain forest. Inside, warmth, comfort, and the satisfaction of creating something extraordinary from nothing. It's hard to believe that only hours earlier, this was just an ordinary dirt hillside. Through patience, planning, and determination, it had become a remarkable underground villa, capable of providing shelter, warmth, and even freshly baked meals. If you enjoyed this incredible transformation and want to see more amazing survival builds and creative wilderness projects, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure.